Hi guys, today I'm going to do unboxing of OontZ Angle 3, the ultra portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. I paid around $24 for this wireless Bluetooth speaker. Let me see. I bought this from Amazon. Let me open what is there inside the box. And this is the leaflet. This is a quick start guide. This is the wire, this card, and let me open this. This is the speaker. You can see this. This is the card for charging. You can take a look one more time. This is the controller. Yes, it's on. I think looks like some power is there. Yeah, this is the charging card. Let me see, where is the this is where this is where we can do the charging through USB port. You can see this, and this one I don't know what is this. Yes, I think this is for external mic, I guess. Yeah. Let me charge this, and let me see how it sounds. I'll be back after charging this Bluetooth speaker. Hi guys, I charged my Bluetooth speaker, and now I'm going to test it. So this is the button. If you hold like this is the on. Now it's on. You can see that the blue LED light is coming. So this is not that visible. But this, I think, this is one drawback of this Bluetooth speaker, I think. Okay, so let me do a testing. I just paired with my iPhone. Let me do a testing of this speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Let me see. So let me see.
Played by Catherine Zeta-Jones. Our US correspondent Greg Milam reports.
She is, without doubt, one of the greats of Hollywood.
Yes.
Olivia de Havilland, the child of British parents who went on to star in movies like Gone with the Wind and collect 2 Oscars along the way. At 101, she's one of the few remaining links to the golden age and is taking on Hollywood in a court case that could fundamentally change the entertainment industry.
You're just trying to troll me. I'm trying to help you.
She's suing the makers of the TV docudrama Feud, the story of the notorious rivalry between Betty Davis and Joan.
Increase and decreasing value. So now I'll increase the value.
Played by Catherine Zeta-Jones.
Feuds are
Yes,
never
yeah.
She says it
This is how
casts
it
her in what's called a false light.
somewhat
and
looks
that her
good.
name and identity have been used with
This is
little
the
regard
highest
for her
peak value.
interests.
There was never
This is
a
the peak value,
rivalry like that.
and
Producers say they didn't need her consent.
zero value.
One of the lawyers in
Medium
the case
value.
says
Okay.
it could set a dangerous precedent.
It would be a dramatic change in how screenwriters write scripts and the sorts of films that get made, and it would also affect the writing of novels with real characters, biographical works.
Yeah,
I
it's
have
a maximum
tremendous
value.
respect for Olivia de Havilland, but
I
I
think
think that
it's
the allegation
okay.
here
Yeah,
is far more
except
problematic in terms of
this,
shutting
the
down
yellow
speech about public
LED,
figures
so-
and important creative works. Works that I think she would ultimately like to appear in.
So blue LED. So I think it should have been like visible more.
What would it mean, for example, in a movie like I, Tonya,
Yeah,
where the real person, Alison Janney, won an Oscar for
I'm controlling through my
to her portrayal?
phone.
This movie might never have been made. And screenwriters who turn real-life events into entertainment say they have to have license to play with the truth.
Any filmmaker's job is trying to distill the essence of a person.
Yes. Yeah, that's it from my end. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.